So yam is one of the top crops that the people of Umunri produce, and by entirety the Igbo people all over the world. Okay, so yam is also important in the entirety of Nigeria and West Africa by extension.
Culturally speaking, the New Yam Festival, it's a very important culture of the Igbo people, and we also know that the young people these days don't know much about the culture of their people. And what advice do you have to give to the young people who are probably in diaspora and don't understand the relevance of this culture? Okay,
my advice is that, like you rightly said, the entire Igbo kingdom celebrates New Yam Festival. We just have different names for it. But in Igbo kingdom, we know that there's what we call Ifejioko, which is the celebration of New Yam Festival. So my advice to the young Igbo people in diaspora is that they should attend events like this. It will give them an opportunity to learn what we are all about, to learn what the New Yam Festival is all about. Because it is not going to go away. You understand? Yeah. Because we stay very far from our homeland, we have the yearning, we have the need, to showcase our culture so that other people can also learn and see the way we've been living in the past.
My name is Mr. Emmanuel Patron, Umunri, South Africa. This occasion is so important for the Igbo people based on the origins of the Igbo. The Umunri is the custodians of Igbo tradition.
Historically speaking, when can you say this New Yam Festival, when did it start?
It started a very long time ago, according to our forefathers. That we learned that the Igbos has a way of embracing each other, a way of coming together to enjoy themselves and say thank you to God for creating the living creatures. The living creatures are the handwork of Jesus Christ. So which means we are here to exalt the work of Christ by putting that seed on the ground, and it germinated and formulated something that is very big, that is called G.
Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. The New Yam Festival is considered a very traditional event. But here you are in the capacity of a spiritual guardian, participating in this event. Can you tell us a little bit about this New Yam Festival and how important it is to you and also to the general Igbo community?
Well, we know very well that in our tradition as Igbos, we value yam so much. People that plant yam are known as PG, and whenever they harvest that yam, they present it to the community. And sometimes people are being honored for doing well in their farm produce. So that we are bringing it to South Africa is a great thing. That people also can celebrate with us. Because people of South Africa don't even know what yam is. And we are celebrating it now, telling them that this yam is very important to us because it carries life with it. Because food, we all know, is source of life, way of sustaining life. And the yam, in our tradition, carries that so much, or have that kind of embodiment of life. That's why we revere yam and celebrate it whenever there is during the harvest of yam. So I'm very grateful that Umunri is doing it every year, and this year they have involved me in a special way. It will be a great thing and a great honor. Here we do not see the yam in the farm, but we see it being celebrated during the harvest. It's a great thing and a great honor.
Welcome to our interview platform. And please, could you introduce yourself a little bit to the viewers and the organization that you represent?
My name is Mr. Austin Valukafo. By the special grace of God, I am the Vice President or Vice Chairman of Umunri Welfare Association South Africa. Umunri Welfare Association South Africa is not a new organization. It has been in existence for quite some time now, but officially it was inaugurated by the year 2005.
By celebrating the New Yam Festival abroad, what do you intend to achieve?
Let me throw a little bit light about the New Yam Festival. The New Yam Festival, or Iwaji, is a very big cultural event in Igbo land, and it's a time to thank God for the harvest of yam and other farm products. Men cultivate yam, while women cultivate cassava, cocoyam, and other farm products. So as man is the head of the family, so is yam the head of all farm crops in Igbo land. And what Umunri Welfare Association in South Africa intend to achieve by celebrating the New Year Festival here in South Africa is to use the platform to bring all the Igbo communities here in South Africa, especially in Cape Town where we reside, together to showcase our rich culture. I want to thank all the Igbo communities, all our invited guests, the Anambra community, Imo State Union, Abia State Union, Enugu State Union, the Aneocha community, and so many others, dignitaries, that attended this historical event. And I also want to thank them specially and pray God that He will take them safely back to their various destinations, and informing them to watch out for the part 2, which is coming next year. Is going to be massive, a massive New Year festival.